Hi, it's me, Thomas, and I'm going to put hand sanitizer in the microwave because Ellen from the Ellen Show ruined my 4th of July. I saw the ad and I gave her the middle finger, so I'm going to put maybe, here we go. Okay, 1 minute, 45 seconds. Better sit back here because it's going to blow the door open. Nobody's going to hear the explosion. Not this one, it's this one right here. Because I hardly use that microwave right there. Ellen Fernandez show? Fuck you, you son of a bitch. Ellen Fernandez show? Fuck you, you son of a bitch. And this is what they need to do right there. No, it smells like a hospital. That's when it happens. Ellen Fernandez show, you're in my day and you're not very nice. So, that's what you get, Ellen. Fuck you, Ellen. I'll see you at work and I better get going. So, I guess we're going, so I gotta go. So, bye. Bye.